Hi everyone, my name's Sienna and I'm a first year electrical apprentice here at CEA in Perth. So CEA stands for Construction Equipment Australia. Pretty much it's just a huge operation where we build cool machines like lighting towers, generators and compressors for other big companies like Rio Tinto and BHP. Yeah, so aside from, I've got two mentors that definitely my favourites. So Annie and Rob, they're just two of the best people to learn off. But other than that, I'd have to say the workshop itself, I mean, there's a tool for every job possible, and that's just like a dream to me. Like the tools, they're top quality tools, and it's just so exciting coming out here and working every day. But also I love the culture that we have here as well. I think from day one, especially as a young female, I've sort of been welcomed with open arms. So that's something I'm just like forever grateful for. So yeah. Would have to be definitely recently I've got the opportunity to receive a decked out toolbox, which is just the most exciting thing for me. I think 2 years ago I would never have thought that I would be excited about something like this, but it's honestly the best thing, and yeah, I'm just loving that at the moment. Also just I think the stuff, like I've actually gotten to do stuff, working hands-on rather than being shown something and sort of not really getting to dive in, but yeah, a lot of independent work. It's just been like amazing. I think that, look, I think that what a lot of people don't sometimes know is that there's so many companies like CEA that recognise that diversity is so important. And I think that as a young woman, it can be pretty daunting to contemplate even working in this space. But I feel like sometimes even I receive, I think, better support sometimes than my male colleagues, because peers want to make me feel like I'm not the odd one out, and I'm sort of really looked after, and it's just, yeah, it's definitely surprising, but it's such a nice thing to come to work every day and just sort of have that support. I'm really, really excited to kind of get out there and go to do some field work. I think that would be really cool to gain experiences on site. So I'd be really keen to get out there and give that a go. But also I think I'd love to work in management in CEA long term. I think that would be a really, really big goal for me. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to stay with the company because there's just so much here for me.